The grand mechanism. What if I told you the first computer was built over 2,000 years ago? It sounds impossible, but it is real. In 1901, divers found something strange near a Greek island called Antikythera. At first, it looked like a broken piece of metal. It did not seem important, but when scientists opened it, they were shocked. Inside, there were small gears and moving parts, just like a clock. But this was not a normal machine. It was built more than 2,000 years ago. Here is the interesting part. Scientists believe this machine was started on a very specific day, December 22nd, 178 B.C. Why that day? Because something rare happened. There was a long solar eclipse, followed by the winter solstice. This was not a coincidence. This machine was designed to track the sky. It could predict solar and lunar eclipses. It could show the positions of the sun, moon, and planets. It could even track the dates of the ancient Olympic Games. Think about that. A machine this powerful, built in ancient times. Even today, we still do not know who built it or how they created something so advanced. And maybe that is the biggest mystery of all. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more.